everyone. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done, everyone. Are you ready for some story time? You know Miss Rani loves story time, and Snowy has a new book for us today. It's called Rumble in the Jungle. I can see lots of different animals on the front there. So I can see a giraffe, I can see a zebra, I can see some flowers, I can see some leaves and some grass. Shall we see what's going to happen in Rumble in the Jungle? Got lots of patterns here, look. Got some stripes to start my book. The title page again. Rumble in the Jungle. Let's see what happens. There's a rumble in the jungle. There's a whisper in the trees. The animals are waking up and rustling the leaves. The hippo's at the waterhole. The leopard's in his lair. The chimpanzees are chattering and swinging everywhere. Some animals are frightening and some are sweet and kind. So let's go to the jungle now and see who we can find. Who can we see first? It's chimpanzee. It's great to be a chimpanzee swinging through the trees. And if we can't find nuts to eat, we minch on each other's fleas. Oh. Who's next? Roar. Lion. The lion's the king of the jungle. Just listen how loudly he roars. Every animal quivers and shudders and shivers as soon as he opens his jaws. Who's next? Elephant! It's great to be an elephant, all big and fat and round, and wander through the jungle, just elephanting around. He's happy, isn't he? Who do you think is next? Should we find out? Zebra! I could have been grey like a donkey, or brown like my cousin the mule, but instead I've got stripes which my lady friend likes, and they make me look handsome and cool. Ah, it's a mummy and daddy zebra, isn't it? It's snake first. The boa constrictor's a slippery snake who slithers and slides round his tree. And when tasty animals wander too close, he squashes them slowly for tea. Oh no! Who have we got next? Giraffe. Some animals laugh at the gangly giraffe, but I hold my head high and feel proud. I really don't care when my head's up in the air and my cheek's getting kissed by a cloud. So tall, he's saying that the clouds are close to him. Shall we see who's next? There's two more animals. Are you ready? It's hippopotamus. Hello, I'm a big happy hippo. I sleep in the sun to get hot. And when I'm not sleeping, I mooch in the mud, which hippos like doing a lot. Who's next? You guessed right, it's crocodile. When animals come to the river to drink, I watch for a minute or two. It's such a delight to behold such a sight that I can't resist chomping a few. Oh, look, can you see Mr. Frog? He's just got away. Phew. Who's next? It's rhinoceros. It's a rhinoceros. ravenous rhino is big, strong and tough, but his skin is all baggy and flappy, which means that there's plenty of room for his lunch, and that makes him terribly happy. Gazelle. No one can run half as quickly as me, the galloping gorgeous gazelle. I can leap up so high that my horns touch the sky, and I'm awfully pretty as well. It's gorilla. The gorilla is big, black and hairy, and the thing that he likes to do the best is look all ferocious and scary and wallop his giant great chest. Thud, thud, thud. Can you see the baby one copying? He's copying his daddy or his mummy. I can see the next one, can you? There's two. Let's start with this one on this page. If you meet a hungry leopard prowling through the night, make sure you call him sir and be incredibly polite. Tiger. Beware of the terrible tiger. You don't always know when he's near, but his sharp eyes shine like lights through the blackest of nights, and his growl makes you tremble with fear. We don't go in the jungle, so we're okay. Not at night. The night has started falling, but the jungle never sleeps. The vultures circle slowly while the leopard softly creeps. And there's the vulture at the top, look. And if you listen quietly, you might just hear the growl of a hungry pair of panthers who are still out on the prowl. The lions and their little cubs are sleeping in their den. There. So let's leave them till tomorrow, when we might visit them again. Just leave them gone. That was quite a funny story, boys and girls. It was just telling us about the different animals in the jungle. I hope you enjoyed our story today. Did you hear all the rhyming words as well? If you did, maybe you can tell an adult or a brother and sister about some of the rhyming words you heard. Remember, boys and girls, you can listen to lots of books at home. You can read them yourself using the pictures, and we will do that soon, but only one video a day. I think for super listening, because that's quite a long book, let's give ourselves a fantastic. Well done, everyone. Can you say bye-bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Excellent. Can you say bye-bye, everyone? Your turn. Well done, everyone. I'll see you again soon for another story time. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.